Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Muhammad Wahab. As part of my today's video, I will prepare another chart to visualize themes derived from the analysis of in-depth interviews. Okay, I developed this framework as part of my PhD thesis and it has been published in the International Journal of Innovation, Creativity and Change, and then after making some minor changes it was published in the International Journal of Emerging Markets. For the data analysis, thematic analysis technique was used, and three steps suggested by the Miles and Huberman, that is, reducing the data, displaying the selected evidence, and drawing conclusions, were used to execute the formal analysis of in depth interviews. The empirical framework of my study mainly consists of three levels of themes: major theme, organizing theme, and basic themes. Firstly, the major theme of my study was the retirement choices of the faculty members from the public sector universities of Pakistan. Secondly, the organizing themes of the empirical framework included the defined benefit pension system, defined contribution pension system, monetization system, and modification in the defined benefit pension system. And thirdly, there were more than 125 basic themes derived from the analysis of in depth interviews. Okay, sometimes it might be confusing as words like codes, categories, and themes are also used instead of basic themes, organizing themes, and global themes. For your information, codes and basic themes are the same, and similarly, categories and organizing themes are the same. For a researcher, finding codes is the first step. And after transcription of interviews, the researcher highlights some specific phrases, words, or sentences to describe a specific phenomena. This word, phrase, or sentence highlighted by the researcher is an analytical unit and has some meaning for them, which is called a code or a basic theme. After identifying the codes or basic themes, the next step is to classify and organize them into high ordered categories, which is because of their similarity to one another. I refer to it as an organizing themes. Finally, in order to describe the categories or to make them more inclusive, they are classified under the global or major theme. Okay, let's begin making the graph. I will first open a Word document. Once the document is open, I will go to the insert option. And under the shapes, I will select rectangle. Okay. Let's change the colors in the rectangle by going to shapes styles and selecting simple white and black style. Since retirement choice was my major theme, I will write retirement choice here. Okay, for the organizing themes, I will go to the insert option again, and under the shapes, I will select curved connector. Okay, I want the end arrow type to be oval, so right click on it and then format shape. From here, select oval arrow. Okay, I want to change the shape, height, and the width from here. I will select 1 for the height and zero point 0.7 for the width. Now, for the remaining organizing themes, I will repeat the same process. This curved connector can be rotated horizontally by copying and pasting it, and then selecting the flip horizontal option from here. Similarly, so there will be no need to change the sizes again and again, just simply copy and paste it. As a next step, I will add details related to the organizing themes names. And for that, I will go to the insert option, and under the insert option, there is text box option. I will click on it. The first organizing theme that I developed from the in-depth interviews was the defined benefit pension system. Okay. The second was defined contribution pension system. And the third one was monetization system. And my fourth organizing theme was modification in the existing defined benefit pension system. Okay, in the same way, repeat the process for the sub themes as well. I will simply copy this shape from here and will paste it. Okay, copy it again and then paste it. Just reduce the size of the height to zero point 0.9, then copy it and paste this one and reduce the size to zero point 0.8, then copy this one and paste it, reduce the size to zero point 0.7, copy, paste, zero point 0.6, copy and then paste, zero point 0.5, copy and paste and reduce the size to zero point 0.4, copy and then paste this one, zero point 0.3, control C, control V, and zero point 0.2, control C, control V, 0.1, control C, control V, and 0. Okay, now simply align these shapes. Okay, now just copy and paste this one and again repeat the process as I did for the above shapes. Just copy and paste and reduce its size to zero point 0.9, then copy and paste, reduce its size to zero point 0.8, copy and paste zero point 0.7, copy and paste zero point 0.6, copy and paste zero point 0.5, zero point 0.4, zero point 0.3, zero point 0.2, 0.1. I think 0 is not needed because I have already pasted it here, so I will delete it. Okay, simply align. For the monetization, simply select all these shapes, then copy and paste it. You can change its colors in order to differentiate between different themes. Okay, just delete this one and change its color. Okay, just you need to align these with this. Okay, for the other basic themes, copy and paste, copy and paste it, and from the shape format, I will go to the rotate and flip it horizontally. Simply change its color. And similarly, for the fourth organizing theme, go to the rotate option and flip it horizontally and change its color. You can change the alignments according to you the number of themes or whatever you like. In order to make it more clear, I will go to the shape or outline and will select no outline from here. Now add details of subthemes by going back to the insert option, and under the shapes I will select text box. Just add your details related to your basic themes. Okay, and select all these and then go to the spacing option, remove spacing, and you can reduce its size to 8. Okay, and then in order to make it near to the shapes, simply select all these text and bring it close to the shape. Okay, repeat the same steps for all the basic themes. I will, for the left ones, I will align it right. I hope everything is clear and you enjoyed watching this video. If you think it was informative, then share it with your students, colleagues, and friends. Thank you so much.